went to the drawing board to design this release, we recognized the market was ready and eager to reap the next level of value from their BI and analytics investments. And to gain this value and to use this insight to really drive improved business outcomes, we knew the existing way people access and use information today simply could no longer apply. So we didn't look at this as just another version of our software. Our goal with this product is to redefine the market as we know it today.
Through our history of 20 years of Cognos and now IBM, we've been singularly focused on delivering BI software to enable our customers to outperform by ensuring they gain insight from information and use that insight to plan and shape their future business outcomes. This started with the early days of PowerPlay and Impromptu, when we provided the ability to answer key business questions, and continued with ReportNet that redefined how to deliver digestible information to the broadest community of users ever. Then with Cognos 8, we were the first to eliminate the barriers to information access, regardless of where the data resided and regardless of what capabilities were required, be those reporting, analysis, dashboarding, scorecarding, planning, etc.
We invested heavily to deliver Cognos 8 to be an open platform built from the ground up as a completely modern, services-oriented architecture. This assured Cognos 8 could meet the constantly changing requirements in organizations' IT infrastructure and provided them the on-ramp they needed to cost-effectively scale to roll out BI from tens of users to hundreds of thousands. We learned so much from that journey.
So with Cognos 8 as our foundation, we tasked our architects, designers, and engineers to bring the next revolution to market while adhering to the design principle of a seamless upgrade from Cognos 8. The result of this hard work is Cognos 10. Simply put, Cognos 10 is the best user experience, the broadest set of capabilities, and the best platform that exists in the market today, period.
The interaction point for Cognos 10 is our revolutionary new user experience, a BI workspace. The first thing you'll notice is that the information is right there. No clutter of menus that take up valuable real estate away from your view of the business. The next thing that's apparent is there's no limitation to what you can see about your business. You can drag and drop, assemble what you need, when you need it, and if you can't find it, simply use the search to author the starting point for you. There's also a built-in video guide. You can place historical views alongside real-time updates, together with plans, predictive results, reports and graphs, all in one workspace. You don't have to change the way you think to fit the software. Cognos 10 supports the way you think.
The old segmentation that constrained people into dashboards or separated reports from scorecards, planning from analysis, or predictive analytics from traditional BI, all those constraints simply melt away. Cognos 10 expands traditional BI with analytics and more advanced capabilities, and does so in such a way that you can see, interact, assemble, and even enter information the way you want, when you want. Cognos 10 delivers all that incredible power, yet the new BI workspace makes it drop-dead simple for everyone to use.
The BI workspace is an incredibly productive place to shift from simple viewing to exploration and to more advanced work. If you want to focus on a single part of the business, you can simply select to do more, and everything else gets out of the way so you can concentrate on the content you really care about. You can add calculations, sort, reformat. You can even add your own data that sits outside the system in a spreadsheet or file, and bring the power of Cognos 10 to play on that dataset too.
Cognos 10 is unbelievable at bringing the value of collaboration and social networking to the world of BI. We all know there's the natural exchange of ideas and knowledge that should occur in decision making today, and yet it's lost in meeting notes, emails, and people's notebooks. With Cognos 10, you can harness that knowledge capital right into the product. You can connect with others to form communities, enter annotations, review opinions, share insights. And you can initiate activities, post messages, files, links, etc. All in the context of the information itself or in the context of the decision that needs to be made. It captures your corporate memory to capitalize on in the future and raises decision excellence in your organization to a whole new level for a whole new level of outcome.
And Cognos 10 doesn't stop there. We have built functionality to ensure all the sound thinking that occurs in the BI workspace and the insights and alignment that happen through collaboration are actionable by hundreds of thousands of people. We have expanded our mobile reach, supporting the iPhone and iPad to give a web application experience that is out of this world. We have put real-time monitoring in the box so decision makers in operations, like call center managers, can instantly respond to changing business conditions. Plus, with the enhancement of our mashup services, we continue to break down the boundaries of BI, giving application developers flexibility to infuse insight into business processes, portals, mashup centers, and applications, making BI not somewhere you go to work, but part of the work that you simply do.
The reason we've been able to develop a product so innovative, so revolutionary, is because at IBM Cognos we invest in the platform upon which our innovation is founded. This unique SOA platform has been proven with thousands of customers and hardened release to release, and the release of Cognos 10 is no different. With advances across the board in our peer-to-peer services, we have focused on performance by introducing in-memory caching and adding intelligence to our query service to understand how to cache, query, and optimize information to deliver superior end-user performance.
One of the most important features we designed into the platform was the IT tooling for system management and upgrade. Usually when you want to capitalize on a new release, it comes with the burden of IT work and migration. We wanted to set a new standard. We wanted to ensure our existing customers could get Cognos 10 into their hands as quickly as possible. With Cognos 10, customers can seamlessly upgrade their existing Cognos 8 environment, all their investment including data sources, models, reports, and infrastructure, so that it can be brought forward without disruption to their end users.
With Cognos 10, organizations can easily implement and be more successful than ever before. Concurrent with this release, we are publishing a series of how-to books, new services and education. And we've engaged our partner ecosystem early to be Cognos 10 ready. And with Cognos 10, we continue to expand the deployment choices we offer, expanding our presence on System Z, and for the first time offering optimized deployment on IBM Compute Cloud.
Cognos 10 is the most exciting software advance in the history of the BI market. It's a whole new paradigm for BI that will be instantly usable by everyone. And the magic of Cognos 10 is that it's both incredibly simple to use and yet delivers unprecedented power. Cognos 10 is about unleashing the intelligence in you and your organization. It provides the freedom to think, to connect with others, and simply do. It is all about everyone making smarter decisions to drive better business results.